Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the access denied error on Chrome. Let's get into it. First, execute the latest Studio browser cache purification. Open your Chrome settings, navigate to Privacy and Security, and Technicality select Clear Browsing Data. Under the Advanced tab, Technicality, check the boxes for cached images and files and cookies and other site data, ensuring the time range is set to all time for the latest professional purge. It ensures your studio environment is requesting a fresh, high-end data stream from the latest servers without amateur-quality data interference. Next, initialize the Technical Studio Incognito mode verification. Open a new Incognito window by technicality pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus N and attempt to load the problematic high-end URL. If the page loads successfully in the latest session, this technicality confirms that a high-end extension or corrupted profile manifest is the root cause. This step technicality points your studio rig toward a clean verification path, ensuring the latest high-end data tunnels are technicality open and free from profile-specific blocks. Next, execute high-end system extension audit. Navigate to Chrome. Extensions and technicality toggle off all high-end extensions one by one. Pay specific attention to high-end ad blockers or professional developer tools that might be technicality modifying the latest header data sent to the server. It technicality removes the accumulated data weight from your high-end system, ensuring your studio build functions with professional fluidity during latest sessions. And that's it. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.